Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you on a form how to create a button. So at the moment I've got 3 buttons, but I want to create a save form button. So what I do is I just go to design view, and then now you will see design and you will see a lot of things, a lot of tools. So what I'm going to do is you're going to click where it says X, 4 X's on the button. You will see a button over there, you just click it and then you drag it over here. Right, then this will come up, so you will have to find out. So you go to record operations, save record, next, and then you go on text. You don't want a picture, you want text. So you type in for your button, save form, and then over the button, that's what the button will look like. So you click on next, and you just type in anything. You can write save, for instance, and you click on finish, and here's your save form button. And then when you go to make it to work, you go to form view, and there it is. There's your save form button. This is how to create a button on a form. Now I'm going to be showing you how I created a checkbox. So what I'm going to do is I open up my appointments table, and you go to design view, and then you will see attendance. You will say yes and no. Then you click on yes and no, and then you close that. You save the table. You click on yes, and then you go to create, and then you go to appointments table, and you delete that, and then you go to form, and then here it is. Here's the checkbox. So you go to view, and you click on design view. Actually, don't click on fans. You go to form view. There it is, and then you click on attendance, and then you have a little tick there. This is how to create a checkbox. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you on how to set a drop-down box of male and female. So what I wanted to do is go to gender, and then you click on data type. You click the scrolling down to look up wizard, and then a tab will appear, and you click on I will type in the values that I want. You click on next, and then you type in the column, which is M, back, M and F. And then you click on next, and then it says what label would you like to look up. So you click on allow multiple values. No, not a multiple value. I limit to list, not allow multiple values. Do not click on allow multiple values, because it will add more to the drop down. So you want only to limit to list, and you click on finish. This is how to create a drop down box of male and female in a gender. I'm going to be showing on how to create a combo box. So at the moment I've got my appointments form open, so I will go to view, and then go to design view, and then now you go to these options. So what you want to do is you want to go to this icon over here which says combo box. You click on it, and then you drag it over in this bit here, like this. And now a tab will appear. So then you just remain on this. I want the combos to get the values from another table or query, and then you click on next, and then you will see a list of tables. So you click on doctor, because that's the doctor's table. You're going to do it for the doctor. You click on next, and then you drag this bit here all the way there, and then you drag the doctor's name as well over here, and then you click on next, and then you will see a lot of lists. So you just click on the scrolling, you click on Doctor ID, and then you click on, and then after that you click on Doctor ID, and then you click on next, and then you unhide it, you untick it, where it says hide key column, which will show you the doctor IDs. You line it up, so then you click on next, and then this is available field. Click on next, and then you go on to store that value in this field, and then you click on Doctor ID, and then click on next, and then you can type in Doctor ID, and you click on finish. And here is your combo box. And I'm going to shift it up here. To show it working now, I'm going to be going on form view. And then now, I'll press that scroll button, and here is a list of doctors that I've got. So this is how I've created my color, font and layout. So as you can see, I've already created it. So I will go to design view and to show you and to give you an explanation of what I've done. So to create my color, I just went to where it says a letter A on it. So once you went to the letter A on it, you just click it and you will get the doctor's thing here. And now, for my background, I've created I have created a gold paint for my background instead of black. So what you do is just go to the fill in, and then you just type in, you click on gold or light yellow, and there you will get your background. And then after that is the layout. At the moment, to do your layout, you can choose anything. You can choose the words that I've decided to leave it on Calibri because I want it to be simple, and the size, I don't want it to be big. I just want it to be a size 11. So these are all the uses in order for me to create my form, to create my color, my font, my layout, and this is how to create my house style. This is my house style. Okay, I'm going to be showing you on how to create a macro. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to create, and then you will see macro. So you click on macro, and then you type in, you scroll down, and you go to all the way down to where it says message box. So there you will be able to type all the message in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in welcome to doctor's surgery, and then I'm going to put a title saying welcome, and then I'm going to close that. You save it, and then they will say, you type in welcome, you type in auto, actually don't type in welcome, you type in auto exec, and then you click OK, and then you will see a macro here, and then welcome to doctor's surgery. In order for it to work, you close it, and then you reopen Access, and then it will automatically say welcome to doctor's surgery. You click OK, and then there it is. This is how to create a macro. As you can see, I have finally created all my forms. So my appointment form, which shows all the datas, all the records. For example, here's one record, and I've shown the buttons as well. And as you can see, These are the combo box and the drop down menu of all the records I've got on my appointments table, all the doctor's IDs, all the patient IDs, and the room number and the staff ID. And now I'm on to my doctor's form. As you can see is that now I finished all my doctor's forms, and I've got my buttons as usual, and I've got the drop down menu for the male and female, and the borough as well. And as you can see here, here's one record of a doctor's form. This is the patient's form. The patient's form is that I have done everything. There's one record over here, and drop down for gender, drop down a combo for borough, and drop down for town. And then this is the appointments, as you can see here. And now I'm on my room form. This is the room form. This is my room form. This is the buttons: back, forward, save, print, and that's the location of where the room is, and the room ID and the number. And this is the appointment for the appointments table. That's my staff form. So as you can see again, is I've got all my buttons over here: back, forward, print, save form, and here's one record of the staff form, as you can see here. So now I have shown all my forms that I have done: my appointments forms, my doctor forms, my patient forms, my room forms, and my staff form. And this is all that I have created, all the forms that I have created. So I've created 5 forms.